What can you make with a whole medium chicken?
I'm gonna cut it off now first, so quite easy.
Watch and learn how to cut the whole chicken so easily. Here you can leave the skin, but I always prefer to take the skin off because it's quite fatty. Now let's cut this one off to make chicken breast. So this is what you do, and it's quite easy, as you can see.
Exactly what I'm going to do. So I have these. As you can see, this is more than enough to make like chicken nuggets. So you can make even chicken curry with it. And this lot here. Okay. So here, so I have here one and I have here. So I can use maybe soup, chicken soup, and maybe I could do maybe here any stew, or maybe I could actually roast them. So either way, so you can actually, if you have a whole chicken, you can cut it into 3 and you can do 3 different things with it. Okay, so this one I'm gonna use one here. So this is gonna be soup, and this I'm gonna cook here. So this one I'm gonna use, it's gonna be stew. I'm gonna use it with it. And these, I'm just gonna show you now what I'm gonna do with it.
So here for chicken breast, I'm going to use the meat mallet to tenderize it, and then I'm gonna make some food for my granddaughter.
You can either fry it, or you can put it in an air fryer, or you can bake it. Okay, so this is what you do with one medium chicken.
And this one, yeah, 3 more. So this one, so this is for my cat. So this is for my cat, and that one is for my cat, which is quite good. So yeah, so it's actually enough for everybody.
So here I've already started here. So this is the soup for my mom. So I've started this already. So let me just bring it a little bit closer so you can see what's in it. So this is just chicken soup, and this has just carrots, tomato, one tomato, and carrots and potatoes in it. So this is just stew. It's gonna be just soup. So this is all done. So let's go to the next thing. Right, so here now, so this is another chicken, but this I'm gonna do something different to it. So I'm gonna add some Tikka masala sauce to it, which is really my daughter loves. Okay, so this is what I normally do. So I just add it to the chicken and then just leave that. I'm just gonna add now a little bit of chicken stock. And I'm just going to leave that to about 15 minutes, and then I'll add my vegetables there. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt, not a lot, and then I'm just going to put the lid now and just simmer it, as I said, for about 15 minutes, and then we come back later. Now I'm going to show you here the next thing I'm going to be doing for my granddaughter. So is here. So this is, I'm going to make some, I'm going to roast this. So the chicken already, I tenderize it to make it look the way it is. So I'm just going to add a little bit of spices on it, and then after that I'm going to be just a little bit down. Yeah, so this could be even like all purpose, that's fine, but I normally add what I normally love. It's cumin, paprika. So this is cumin. Just a bit of cumin there, and coriander. There you go. And then, of course, I'm gonna add pepper and paprika. Where's the paprika? Lovely. If you like that kind of thing, so that can make it a little bit softer as well. Or a tomato. You can do tomato sauce and add it to it. So now the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm just going to dip it in the egg wash, and then dip it in here. Let me show you. This this is a breadcrumb. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that. So dip it in. So dip it in there. Yeah, and then so this is the panko there. All right, there you go. So continue the same thing until it's all done. So this is what you do. Just make it easy. So I'll continue. Spray some oil. And then you just put the chicken there, just like that. Yeah. The chicken ready to get into the air fryer, so I'm just gonna open the air fryer. Open and open it up, and I'm gonna put this in. Normally, actually, they say reheated, but it's fine. It works okay with me so far. So I'm just gonna put this one in, push it in. Right, so just go up here. See where let's go a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. This is now chicken. See the one? That's chicken now. So I'm just gonna say it's 180 and 20. That's fine. So I'm just gonna say it's start. So it's gonna start. Yeah. Okay. There you go. So it's starting now. So I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna check it like maybe in 5 minutes. Okay, and then come back. All right. So now let's check the soup. Let's see. I think the soup is ready now. I think so. I'm just gonna check. Let's see. It's all ready. Oh, everything is good. So the only thing I added to it is, as you can see, is just mixed peppers. I added to it, and I just added all my spices. So it's up to you what you need. But the chicken now, so I'm just gonna give it maybe just 2 minutes, and then it's done. So the chicken soup is nearly done. Chicken soup is for my mom, as I said. So then going to the back. Let's see. I need to add some mixed vegetable to it. So I'm gonna do that now. The next vegetable, that's perfect. And I'm just going to add as well a little bit of pumpkin as well. That makes it nicer. Okay, and I've added all my spices. I added everything else. I'm just going to wait for it to boil, and then I'm going to simmer it for about 10 minutes. So 10 minutes should be enough, I think. But if not, maybe 15 minutes. And you can see the chicken now is it's soft anyway. It's nearly done. Okay. Take it out. Of course, here's my granddaughter is actually putting some chips, which is her favorite food. So she put it in there. Cooking is about 7 minutes, but look at what I've done. I've actually tidied up so quick. This is it. And normally this is not the kind of rice I do, but because I know for my mom she needs it soft, and for my daughter as well. So this is it now. So I'm afraid I'm all done. So let's give you a quick look of what I've made so far. So here I've made this. I've just boiled these two, and then I made the soup. Yeah, and this is see, so this is what I made, which is the chicken. This chicken there, you can see the chicken. And this is, I'm afraid, my granddaughter had some of it already, so that's why it's finished. And oh, there's something else I actually made I didn't say anything about. So this is for our cat. So that's it really, guys. So here you go. So